Hi, this is Simon. So today's snippet is about work-life balance. What a terrible phrase that is. How do I balance my work and my life on a day-to-day basis? You've got to remember that being in business should give you more life. Being in business should not be your life. And if you get the mixture right and you commit yourself to your statutory 40 or 50 hours a week, then you can take the rest of the time off. I don't work evenings, I don't work weekends, and the reason for that is I have to have some balance in my life in order that I can do the things that I want to with my family and my friends, walk the dogs, do whatever else that might be, play golf, which is one of my latest habits for 2020. Really important you get that work-life balance just right. If you don't, then you get consumed by work. It overwhelms you and becomes the only thing that you think about on a day-to-day basis. So think about that really hard. If you clock the number of hours you do in a week and you look at the amount of time you work versus the amount of time you play, make sure that work balance, your life is in balance, at least 50-50. That's today's snippet. Thanks very much for listening. I've been Simon Nelson.